It's raining right now, and I'm gonna put some plastic over me. There is a plastic raincoat, and right here you can see how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, this is looking so beautiful in real eyes, but not maybe in this camera. Yeah, I'm gonna put some plastic. Alright, man, I have plastic in my bag, plastic raincoat. Here is it. Oh, I'm gonna reveal my face right now. Hello. This is what I'm gonna wear right now. It's totally cloudy over here. Okay, yo. Yes, now I'm ready to go. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put my bag inside this plastic raincoat app. From me, I was totally in. I was totally in mood of making video, and I forgot to put my bag inside it. That's perfect, right? Oh, now I'm gonna put this. Ooh, what a cinematic! Oh my god! Okay, that's it for now. I'm right here. You guys can see it's really beautiful.